Hey carpet cleaners, thought I'd share what my setup is for my business and my van. Just got this van about a couple months ago, upgraded from the minivan, and this is what has been really working well for me in the suburbs of Chicago, where we have a lot of smaller homes, but some commercial spaces. And I do strictly VLM, although I do have a portable for extracting on furniture. Anyway, here's what we've got. We've got the Trinity Odyssey green because it's a pure money maker. This thing I love. It can go in a lot of tight areas, smaller homes, really light, easy to haul anywhere. It's a new technology, gives me a lot to talk about with clients. Can also talk about the multi-sprayer, which I really love the fact that this has a rechargeable port right there. So when I stick it in my van, I just plug it in and it charges every time I drive. So that's easy peasy. Then we've got the ProTeam vacuum, nice commercial vacuum, so we look professional there. And the nice thing about this is you can vacuum up those edges and crevices on the walls. Customers love that touch as well. Inside the van, we've got my Karcher here for tile and grout. So this works awesome on tile and grout, and I will, if it's a tough, this has got the nice scrub brushes. I've got red brushes on here that'll scrub it. It also does hardwood floors, LVP, any hard surface cleaning. So this is an awesome money maker as well. And then in the back, we've got, sorry for the mess, I'm still working on getting this organized because I just got it recently and weather's freezing up here in Chicago. I got my portable back there, my spotter bag, some of my Kims in here. I'll show you the back here. I'm also a teacher, by the way, so I'm pretty much full-time teaching, but then this is my side gig for right now. So we got the portable, and again, I only use that for extracting furniture. Carpet rake, gotta have that with VLM. Backpack vacuum, great for commercial. And then my attachments for stairs right there. All right, and a couple fans. And again, Kim's put this new rack in once I got it. So, and last but not least, you can kind of see it peeking under there, my 175. All right, so this is the setup. This does everything for me. And if I really wanted, if I were starting new and I had my first 3 pieces of equipment, I'd probably buy a Shark vacuum like I did the first time. So you don't have to spend big bucks on that. I would drop money on one of these, an Odyssey, and I would drop money on this right here. So you're looking at about $2,500 unless you get it used. And you're looking at $500 here, which I found this used at John Don, $500 to $700. And then any vehicle you can get, this will do for carpet. This will take care of carpet, okay? But then if you want to do tile and grout, get you one of these, and then you are set with this to do tile and grout. All right. If you're going, I love having a 175. That's got to be in there when you buy that at some point. The big extractor in the back, honestly, it's kind of a pain because it's big and I'm trying to haul it in for upholstery. I'd get one of the smaller ones, but make sure it's heated. All right, something like a 6-gallon extractor, I think would probably be much better than that big monster. You could even do with like a 3-gallon if it's heated. I'm not sure what they're selling. Anyway, that's my setup. Hope you enjoyed it, and it works, making good money.